Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today is going to be delivery day of my 2024 Tesla Model 3. I got the long range all-wheel drive model, or dual motor all-wheel drive, whatever you want to call it. I'm here with my buddy Aiden. We're in his Model 3 Performance. I wasn't balling like you, so I didn't get the Model 3 Performance. but I feel like the dual motor would be perfect for what I'm using it for. It's going to be a daily. Aiden here actually had an M4 X-Drive. And he traded the M4 for, well, not really traded, but sold it and bought the Tesla. So what's the deal with that? You're not a car guy anymore.
Price, like my financial situation matters much more than my car.
Yeah, so the M4 was really cool. He had an X-Drive. I had him on the channel a couple times, the yellow one. The Model 3 Performance is just as fast as the M4 was, so he's not really losing on performance. And since this is his only car, it makes sense for him to get the Model 3 Performance. Yeah. I'm going to be using it as a daily driver, so the dual motor all-wheel drive is plenty enough power for what I'm going to be using it for. But just to check out this interior here, it's going to be pretty similar on the one I get. He got the white interior, I'm going to get the black interior, so it's going to be a little different, but very similar, very minimalist. I'm sure everyone kind of knows how a Tesla interior looks these days. It's got the new steering wheel, big screen and everything.
And if you get the Performance, you get these cool looking bucket seats.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna get these cool looking seats, unfortunately. But
or the rip-off plaid badge on the back that Tesla like slapped on the trunk lid.
Yeah. And stay tuned. I mean, I know it's a Tesla, so a lot of like you, what do you call it? Like the hardcore car people are not gonna appreciate an electric car, but we might have to do a race video to show the performance difference between a Model 3 Performance and a dual motor, and then also you in standard mode.
Yeah, that would be interesting.
That'd be really interesting. So definitely stay tuned for all that stuff. That'll be like in the future. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to pick up my new Model 3. So I'll catch you guys when we get to the Tesla Center. All right, guys, we are getting closer. Tesla dealerships are right across the way over there.
I'm so excited.
It's a Tesla, so it's nothing that we can get too excited about, but it's gonna work perfect for what I'm gonna use it for. Perfect.
Towing.
Did you say towing? No. Yep, it's gonna have all that torque I want. It's gonna be all-wheel drive.
Cybertruck.
No. Nope. Too ugly. Nope. The Model 3 I think actually looks pretty decent. You know, Teslas aren't like cars where you're just admiring the beauty, but I think the Model 3 looks really nice, especially for the 24 model year. It's a new style. They call it the Highland. So all right, guys, just got to the Apple store. I meant the Tesla store.
Apple store.
Oh, I wonder if mine's like over there. I don't know, but they all look the same.
Plug in.
They all look the same.
No performances for wait, no, that was the Model S Plaid. Not a single performance in
Mine is
sight.
probably around here somewhere.
I think these are free to use.
So do you go to like the inside, or do you just walk up to it, or like how does it work?
We gonna charge.
Ooh, okay. Are they free?
No.
Oh.
Highly doubt it. Highly doubt it.
Oh god, Cybertrucks are so ugly. I mean, I gotta give it to them for coming up with something that looks so like unique, but like, god, they're so ugly.
That's the word for it.
Look at that. You got two Teslas on the screen there. Alright guys, just made it to the Tesla here. I picked the gray one. This is a no-cost color option. It says congratulations, has my name on there. They just got done supercharging it, so it's all charged up, ready to go. I'm excited. Just figured I'd show you guys the back before we take off here. Got our temp tag on. Got the dual motor. We didn't get the base model, we got the dual motor. Figured I'd get the one that has a little bit of extra juice to it. This is exciting. I'm probably just gonna leave those wheels on, to be honest. I'm not gonna take them off, and because I think the regular gray ones look kind of ugly. The caps actually look low-key better. Cool. All right, guys, we're gonna get going now. First drive. Steering feels nice. There's Aiden right there. The Performance. Alright. Watch me scrape the front end already, coming out of here. Alright. very smooth so far. Feels really nice. Like it. Alright guys, so I've been cruising for about 5-10 minutes, just going through traffic. Perfect for this car. Oh, we got the navigation going. Perfect for this car, nice and smooth. Traffic, it doesn't bother this car. It's not going to get hot or anything. Lots of that. I just love that torque. It's so nice. Again, for a daily. Actually, let me get in this lane over here. Zoom past everybody. So smooth. And we're going to zoom in front of all of these cars here since we're in the front. Alright, here we go. We're going to try to get past all these cars here.
Now take the Interstate 15
oh, wow.
ramp on the left.
Chevy Volt was not playing games right here. Trying to pass the Charger too. I could definitely go zooming past them, but I'm not going to. I'm not using the car yet. That'd actually be a good race. This car in the Charger Scat Pack, that'd be a good race. I wonder if it has that autopilot stuff. Let me see. Okay. So it's driving itself. Let's see if it turns the wheel too. Okay, let's see if it slows down. Okay, slowing down for these cars. Applying the brakes. Applying the brakes some more. Okay, yeah, it's working pretty good. You can see it sees all the cars out there. Okay. Everything's going good so far. I'll catch you guys once we get out of this traffic because I gotta focus. Alright guys, I pick up this video at night. Just got done showing the car to my parents, my brother. We checked it out. We had a lot of fun with the instant torque and stuff, the fart mode and all that stuff. A lot of cool things that are just like fun party tricks with this car. I really love the low end torque. I'm really loving this car so far. I know that sounds crazy talking about a Tesla that way, especially since I came from an RS3, but like I'm just loving driving this car so far. And I'm gonna test out the supercharger because Tesla right now has 3 months of free supercharging for leases. So I'm gonna test out the free supercharging real quick, just kind of see how it works, and yeah, go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching my first video on the Tesla. Supercharging, by the way, was a breeze. It was super easy, way easier than I thought it would be. I'm really enjoying the car so far. I'm going to be making tons of content on what it's like going from a RS3, you know, a gas-powered RS3 to daily driving a Tesla. As you guys know, I still have my M2, so I'll be making videos on that as well. But we're going to have lots of fun with this Tesla. We're going to be doing tons of content, so definitely stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.